Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you back up your ClickUp account. So firstly, open your browser and log into, uh, go to probackup.io website. So on your browser, type in probackup.io. So this will bring you to this site here where we're going to use this site for the backup process. All right. So once you get here, then click on Get Started. Then once you click on Get Started, you're going to choose your ClickUp option here. So click on ClickUp and then click on Try for Free. Okay, and then here, what you're going to do, you're going to check this box, and then type in your email address and click on Continue. All right, and then click on Login with ClickUp, and that's going to log into your ClickUp account and synchronize it. Okay, and then once that's done, then yep, you can select your workspace and click on Connect. All right, and once that's done, so now we are here, we're going to start the process soon. Then again, check in your box and then type in your email address, click on Continue, and then redirect it, click on ClickUp, login with ClickUp. All right all right and then here, once your account has been verified, so make sure your workspace is ticked, and then click on Continue. And then here you have the option to connect to Google, but we're not doing that, so click on Skip for now. And then once that's done, click on Start First Backup. All right, so now what happens is your backup process is being processed. So now they are preparing for the backup, and your backup should be done within an hour or probably up to a few hours. So you can just let it do its job, and then we can just come back to it later, or you should get an email once the process is done. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.